Hi, welcome. We are testing ArcoLinuxD, and these days when we sudo reboot in ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux or ArcoLinuxD, we get these lines, these ugly lines, and there's an article on that on the website. And I was thinking, let's assume that I don't have other computers in the neighborhood. How can I find my information online? So if you have internet, and when you launch ArcoLinuxD you have internet, you could install a application called linux. So sudo pacman -s linux. It's already installed and I ran it already, and that's I say that because normally you see something else popping up. So now we have this black screen, but normally there's this line there which says bookmarks and files and all that. So in this case you need to press escape because there's just this thing up here, and then you have a menu. You can go to URL, search, view, no downloads, language. We have actually a browser, so we can go to a URL and we have to type the site where you think you will find the information. ArcoLinux.com. ArcoLinux. The dot is not working. .com. Okay, so this is what you get when you use links. You see all the menus here, and if you use page down, now I can type in the search. You see me typing there in the search. So I want to search for the word shut down. Pretty sure that's in there, and as well ugly. I think I've only used the word ugly once on the website, but search is now sent. Then we go down or up again. Let's see where, there it is. How to fix ugly lines, muggly lines. Looks like some, I don't know what it is in front of it. So ugly lines, when I click on here, we're actually in the article, which go again with page down, and that's the information I wanted to know. I didn't know, I forgot. Make init cpo -p linux. That's a command that I'd have to run afterwards. So it's explained what I should do in here. So if you don't have internet available, I don't have another computer available, you can keep this one here and navigate with Ctrl-Alt F3, for instance, to another TTY3. I've explained that on an article, TTY, what that is. So now we can do our stuff in here, and we wanted to edit a file. Sudo nano typing with one hand is not easy at all. etc, I forgot already what it was, /mk something, I think. That's it. So if we forgot, Ctrl-Alt F1, we check again, Ctrl-Alt F2, no, F3. We're working there. So with lots of TTYs available to work. Enter. We navigate to the place to be. Where is the place to be? Here in hooks. The line of hooks. Yep, and at the end we type shut down. Okay, Ctrl X, and it says you want to save. Yes, no, yes, return. So that's saved. Ctrl Alt F1. Then I need to run sudo make init cpo -p linux. Ctrl Alt F3, and I say maybe a clear is in order. So we're back up here. Sudo make init something. All right, he knows. P kernel. We need to actually really type this. Is it correct? Linux, Erik. I thought it was wrong. Felt it was wrong. My gut feeling. So sudo make init cpo -p linux looks about good. And now the shutdown is in there, running build hook. You see the last thing there, shutdown and shutdown. So we need to shut down. Does it work? Sudo reboot. Do we still see these ugly lines? The tutorial is not about that, but it's about these ugly lines. Will we see it next time when we shut down? That's the question. But well, like I said, it's not about that. It's about links. What if you don't have another computer available? Or what if you use links as a browser? And go check that out. So, sudo reboot. This time he should apply the shutdown and we won't see normally the ugly lines. Let me focus here a bit and enter. Enter. That's a little bit cleaner, isn't it? So if you have one computer and you have internet, you can browse via links and find your information online. Cheers.